Architecture is more than just design. It's managing people, projects, and deadlines. ProWorkflow helps architects streamline tasks, track time, and keep clients in the loop, so every project moves from concept to completion smoothly, meaning less admin and more time to design. In ProWorkflow, you can customize your workflows, from the look and feel to the rates charged. Select item types that suit you. You can create and customize work stages to reflect your way of working and set up rates to better calculate your profitability. You can set the in and out rates. You can also set up rates for your products and services, much the same way as you did for your tasks. Templates are a great way to reduce admin. You can add as much detail as you like here. These details will show up on your project when the template is applied. Before creating a project, set up a client to assign work against. The client modal also shows the client contacts and the work that is in progress and completed for them. Let's create a project. In this example, we will use the template created earlier. Add the details and hit the create button. Once created, all the details from your template come through, including the details entered into the item. The item modal allows you to work on the item, such as creating details and send messages to your project contacts. You can also upload files, such as designs or contracts, directly in here. There is also version control available on the items modal, meaning that any historic data can be restored if needed. If you like to keep track of your work, create a time entry, and if rates are set up, you can get data on how profitable you are. Add a manual percentage of work done or complete an item to show forecasted data. Show insights for a visual representation. The data is color-coded for easy reference. The Insight widget provides more context on the work you have tracked. Go into the graphs for forecasted profitability. These can help you plan out your work. There are more tools in the project to help you run it smoother, like adding users against items and adding more items like an expense. You can fill this with more detail to capture your financial data. Custom fields allow for that additional bit of personal touch. Set up drop-downs, checklists, dates, and so much more. In addition to a list view, the items can be represented in a Kanban board. Here, they can be moved between the work stages and even completed. Or they can be visualized in a Gantt chart. It is interactive, so you can work directly from this view. Quotes created are either associated with a job or done independently. In this example, let's create one from scratch. Add all the details and create. If you would like to populate the lines, you can do this either individually or from a template. Once done, you can send it to your client and they can follow the link and accept or decline. Now convert the quote into a job. All of the quoted lines and details are converted into the project. This process is possible with quotes created independent of a project. Invoicing a project is simple. It can be done directly from the project. Select the appropriate options and create. You can now either email your client or send to your accounting provider. Once sent over, you can work on the invoice from your accounting software. Coming back into ProWorkflow, the status can be synced back to reflect the accounting software. From the first sketch to the final build, ProWorkflow helps architects bring every vision to life. When the project is complete and the structure stands tall, you'll know the process was as seamless as the design. Check out ProWorkflow Nexus today.